Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado egg rolls. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion, and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Also, have your egg roll wrappers ready, along with a small bowl of water to seal them and about 2 cups of vegetable oil for frying. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that delicious avocado filling. Start by mashing your 2 ripe avocados in a medium bowl until smooth but still a bit chunky. Next, fold in the finely diced red onion and the fresh cilantro. To enhance the flavors, add a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Mix everything gently to combine, ensuring all ingredients are well distributed for a balanced taste. With our filling ready, it's time to roll these beauties. Lay an egg roll wrapper flat, placing about 1 tablespoon of the avocado mixture slightly below the center. Fold the bottom corner over the filling, then fold in the sides. Roll it up tightly towards the top corner, using a little water on the final edge to seal it securely. Fry them in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they are golden and crispy. Once your avocado egg rolls are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. This keeps them wonderfully crispy. Serve them warm with your favorite dipping sauce, like a sweet chili or a creamy ranch dressing. They are best enjoyed fresh. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade avocado egg rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.